In this video, we're going to talk about how we can changing HTML content, HTML attribute, and HTML style or CSS style using HTML DOM and JavaScript. First of all, let me write a paragraph with an ID demo. Inside this paragraph, I want to write something. For example, let's write something like this. After that, I want to add an image with ID my image, and let's add an image to it. Okay, I have cat image. Now let's see. What a beautiful cat. This is my paragraph and this is my image. Now I want to change this paragraph and this photo using JavaScript. Let's write a script tag. Inside the script tag, I want to get the ID of my paragraph because I want to change that. Document dot get element by ID. Inside the parentheses, you have to write your ID that you want to bring some changes on it. I want to change this paragraph, into something else. And I want to write the ID of that. Dot. Now, remember this, that if you want to change a text, you have to write innerHTML. With innerHTML, you can add or you can change HTML text equal to. Now, inside the double quotes, whatever you want, you can write it. For example, hello world. Let's close this. Now look, it changed into hello world. If you want to change this cat into something else, you can change it like this. Document dot get element by ID. Parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you have to write the ID of your HTML element. I want to write the ID of that. Dot. After that, I want to change the attribute of this element. Look, I want to change this attribute. And I have to write the attribute name here. Source equal to, inside the double quotes, you can write your destination of another image. Doc.png. Now let's see. Look, I changed that cat into this dog. If you want to change the style of this text, you can change it so simple. Document dot get element by ID. Inside the parentheses, you have to write the ID of that element that you want to bring some changes on it. Demo, okay? Dot, because you want to change the style of that, you have to write a style. After that, you have to write the property of that. For example, I want to change the color of that. Color equal to, now you have to specify the value of that. Red. Okay, now let's see. Look, this text changes into this color. I want to add some style also. For example, I want to change the font size. Okay, font size equal to, for example, 20 pixel. I think 20 pixel is so small. 50 pixel. Look, it becomes larger. This is changing HTML content. If you want to change text or add text, you can use innerHTML. If you want to change attribute, first of all, you have to write attribute name. After that, your value. If you want to change the style of something, first of all, you have to write the style. After that, you have to write the property of that. After that, the value.